Huh? What's going on? There are stairs here. There's something written on the sign. Huh? What? Spinda's Cafe, a shop of hopes and dreams. Opening soon. Win big. Welcome back to Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. We've got a shop of dreams, and it's at the crossroads. But hopes and dreams? I wonder what kind of shop this will be. Let's come back after it's open. It's not open? There are stairs. The door is still closed, so you can't get in. I'm gonna assume there's a door at the bottom of the stairs, but there is no door on those stairs. Yes, we can summon Chimecho here now. We've got Cleo. If you missed the last episode, our quality of life went up quite a lot. We got promoted to bronze rank. We learned how to play mini games. We expanded our storage. We got a whole lot of good items, and we unlocked Cleo in our main job, which isn't making dinner. How cute. We can look at everybody. Oh, and they have the Sinnoh Dex number. Next IQ skill to learn. Status checker. And I also learn IQ skills, but I don't think they match her, because I think they're tactics. And our stats, oh no, he's starting to differentiate. Defense is weirdly stacked. Special attack is 2. It might just be because of gummies and stuff. All red because of my bow, but my special attack, it's really all the same, basically. I'm gonna hit town, but today is our first big day. We're going on a waterfall mission. We're exploring a waterfall. Oh my god, there's so many teams now. This is Team Slash? No, you can't learn Razor Wind, you can all learn Slash. Only Absol can learn Razor Wind. Yeah, Slash, you all learn Slash. You learn Slash, you can be an honorary member. Yo, another great day. By the way, you two, do you know about Marowak Dojo? Marowak Dojo is a place where exploration teams go to hone their skills. Actually, when everything was peaceful, there wasn't much need for its services. The sensei couldn't pay for its upkeep, and it eventually collapsed. What? But let there be rejoicing. The Marowak Dojo, it's been resurrected from the bubble, back and better than ever under new management. That was a great job. I really just thought we were going to talk about the weather. But I'm not going to touch this yet. I think it will be interesting someday. If I've never been super into them, but I think those are usually kind of like little training dungeons with themes. Like they'll be like a grass thing and go fight grass types. I don't know what they provide besides little side dungeons. Am I rich? Yeah, but there's no reviver seed today. I've got a lot of violent seeds, but really I'm fine like making a stockpile. We will be violent when the time comes. Warp seeds also I've wanted more than once. I kind of want to get a supply of these seeds that I like. And I'm nowhere near rich enough for a TM. Oh, I got orbs though. Whatever. So this is a new place. It'll be harder than the last ones. So I'll keep everything on here. That's just an ordinary seed. I didn't sell anything, did I? What's such a store? I'll keep my pebbles, oran, pekka, apple, oran, pekka, oran, stick, sure. Make the floor map visible. I think I could want late game. Pekka cherry, big apple, escape orb, pekka berry, herb orb, I'm gonna toss. Warp seed, yeah, I want to plant that. Pekka seed, could also be good for a boss someday. I don't really have any plans for it though. And we're fine. I think we'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah, get rid of that. And I'll bank what I didn't spend. I imagine we banked in terms of 100 coins. Yeah. Alright, so let's get out of there. Secret waterfall. So this is the waterfall that supposedly has a secret. Yow. That water's coming down hard. Try getting close to the waterfall, Bon Bon. You're only made out of fire. It's true. This is incredible. I can barely stay standing near this deluge. Wah! See? It's intense. Ow. You caused something. Who's that Pokemon? Ooh, mysterious music. I saw something. But what did I just see? Huh? What's the matter, Bon Bon? What? You had another vision? This time you saw a lone Pokemon leap into the waterfall, and not only that, there's a hidden cave behind the waterfall? It looks like that water is coming down really heavily. Imagine if there was actually a solid cliff behind that waterfall. Ouch. If we tried to jump through, we'd be pounded badly. So Bon Bon, what do you think, Bon Bon? Is there really something behind this waterfall? Are you really convinced that there's a cave in there? That's a good question. Alright. This would be really shitty if it didn't work. Oh, yes, Mango has anxiety. She'll be special no matter what we do. I don't know much about physics, but this seems harder than it looks. Oh boy. It worked. Yes, it is a cave. You were right after a Bon Bon. Let's go explore this cave, Bon Bon. Let's see what secrets it holds. Yay! So we have a cave to explore. It's our waterfall cave. So water, eh? I'm a fire type. Water, okay, they're leading right off with it. I don't think he has Spark yet. So I'm gonna hope Spark comes in. I was playing PokeMMO too in the weeks where I wasn't recording. And I have Spangle and Bon Bon, and I mean, that game's a little bit more fleeting than a normal Pokemon game. But, oh. Okay. I was gonna say that Spangle and Bon Bon now exist in a more traditional form, but I don't know what the future of PokeMMO is. It's mostly something I think I'll play with friends, but I guess I could always trade them to an account that's like my home account, you know, versus like a friend account where everything's kind of like, you know, temporary. But anyhow, I've now used Chimchar and Shinx, which is funny because I played a shit ton of Sinnoh. It was like my baby game. I guess it's my favorite right now, and I'm not that pumped about it, but it's like, you know, it's the one that it was my baby game. I played the most of it. But I never touched Shinx or Chimchar, which is really funny because I think they're very like common. But Electric and Fire add a lot to that generation, really. Like, I have no fear in here for some reason. I should have a lot of fear in here. I should be much more afraid. That was a shit ton of damage. Yeah, using Fire and Electric really makes it a lot more fun in that game. I caught, like, you know, normal type, psychic type, steel type, ground type, water type, grass type. They're all such mundane types for the most part in that game. Like, the only Electric and Fire types are these two, so I feel like I've gotten a much better Sinnoh experience letting myself use them. But those two evolved and became really useful with Sword Skate, with, you know, fighting moves, Bite, Spark. But it was a long way until we got Spark on Shinx. And yeah, it's sad a bit, ooh, that's scary. It's sad a bit that there's not like a better traditional physical electric move for Shinx in the family. I think it's like Thunder Fang you mostly want, because they really can't do much damage with like the Thunderbolt stuff, you know? So they're awesome as Shinxes, you know? I think Spark Shinx is like peak existence for that family. But it's really, really good. It's nice being able to hit physical and electric, but there's no electric earthquake, you know? Not easily accessible. The future it's bleak, you know, for Shinx. But we'll definitely try to get Thunderfang on Spangle, because Spangle will be a Shinx for a long time. And it's not a game, you know, it's not competitive Pokemon by any stretch of the imagination. But I think it's a game where you use your unevolved Pokemon for the whole game, basically, so there's no, like, need to be super meta, really. There's no need for electric-type earthquakes, but there is a meta still. I really want Discharge. I really want to be able to hit everybody in the room with Spangle. Even if it's not, like, his main attack, just hitting everybody is, you know, it's a mystery dungeon thing. Multiplying damage, even if it's not that much damage, it's incredible. Yeah, time to size up what degree of damage y'all can do to me, because you can all do damage to me. The thing about this cave is I don't remember any kind of boss. I wouldn't rule out there being a boss, but I don't know. Don't kill me. Their HP is manageable. Their damage is really big if they hit the right move against Bonbon. It was that Mud Slap from the Barboach that did the most. There's no reason for that. I don't know much about why that move would be better than Water Gun, but you I can deal with. Easy. My buddy! Tango lady. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, so I didn't really talk about it because you're kind of fitting in it at the end, but partners are a whole thing in this game. They don't have all the same rights as your partner, but you can use them to balance out your team, and having a good, I think type coverage for this team would be really good, because we do get walled pretty hard by ground stuff. Thanks, Tony. Oh, your sprite's pretty cute. I'm usually not that into Tangela, but it's a pretty cute sprite. Yeah, so it's like when push comes to shove, there's a lot of this game that you can't bring your partners to, so it's nothing like planning a Pokemon game team. What can you do? You have grass. But I've been thinking I really want at least one grass type on this team. I don't know what Tony's going to be able to do. And one thing that I hope isn't real is I kind of remember if your partner dies in the mission where you recruit them, you don't keep them, which is super fucked and way too hardcore for this game, but I hope I'm misremembering that. There's a lot of more hardcore games I could be thinking of. Tony's cute though. The exciting thing that does kind of balance out how not always, critical, how not always usable they are is it's really exciting to get partners in this game. I might lose this fight. Yeah, you're gonna use Bubble. I don't want to take Funny. Oh my god. I don't think she can get me? Oh my god. Yeah, I didn't want to fight that fight. But yeah, it's like a big serotonin rush every time you see somebody like die and then stand back up and join your team. It's not that common, but it's like always kind of exciting. I'm assuming Tony, I guess I could check Tony. Moves. Absorb, powder, and green. Status is cool. I can't think, 10 growth has like power whip and stuff. I don't know what kind of damage Tony's really gonna do, but as, you know, she looks like a big mop. I think she can mop up damage well. I'm glad to have her here to take the hits that we can't. Oh, am I stuck? No. Kind of bounces along. What's an adventure without a friend? Wishcash. That could fuck me up. Oh, don't fuck me up. I gotta kill this Surtskit. Really bad. Here's an idea. Yeah, I would have taken too many turns. I would have taken too many turns to get behind Spangle. Could have been sniped twice. But this dude could kill me in one hit. I'm glad he didn't. Now you are half bug, so I'll make my one hit count. Please don't kill me. Oh, you hit really hard. I've never been so afraid of a Surskit. That was like 30 damage. Quick attacks take a little good. Bubble's obviously good too. It's like a quick attack, but across the room. Flamethrower works that way for some reason, even though it's wicked tough anyhow. Look at all that. Look at all these gems sparkling. Whoa, look over there. It's a gigantic gem. Wow, I've never seen a gem this huge. It's an incredible treasure. Everyone will be amazed if we take this back. Spangle tried to grasp the giant gem. Ugh. Nope, it's not budging. It's really stuck tight. Can you give it a try, Bon Bon? Hold up. Okay. Bon Bon took over and tried to pull out the gigantic gem. Whoa, it's really stuck. It won't budge. Tony, get your tentacles in there. Oh. Kinda comes late after she touches something. Who's that Pokemon? Oh. Is that a good result? I guess we don't have to decide if it's a good result or not. Tony's debating whether or not she really should have taken this job. I forgot about this. Where are we? Hi, are you two okay? You plopped down from nowhere. Oh, you startled everyone. We're in chicken broth. But Tony isn't. They just gotta get sidelined. The partners are so like second-class citizens. This is the hot spring. Onsen. Indeed, onsen desu yo. I can't read that in Japanese. We kinda traveled. The sky carried you over there. You got sent into the sky. No, we got sent flying. We landed here. We crashed in here. Whatever. Yes, it would. I think that wraps it up for the Waterfall mission. I think it was just a cute one-off. Like, it didn't have anything huge to do with the plot. Yes. Yes. It's interesting, though. That trap probably had to be rigged by somebody. And I don't think it was rigged by the mysterious Pokemon. No, someone definitely did. Who was that? I was honestly trying to like play it cool and be like, oh, don't say who it is. Because I remember we end up figuring out who it is, but I'm like, is that late game? Like, is that a big surprise later on? That shape, there's no mistaking it. It's Wigglytuff. That's our boss. The Guildmaster already knows. The Guildmaster ordered us. That's a tricky situation. At least we're not the only strange crew. What was that shout out? What? I'm missing nothing at all. Anyhow, I'll confirm what you told me with the Guildmaster. Please wait here. So how did it go? When I asked the Guildmaster, he mulled it over for a bit, and then he said, "Oh, memories, sweet memories, Yumta." Then he danced around a bit, and then he said, Yes, when I think hard, maybe I did go there once. And that's just what the Guildmaster said. To sum it up, it is just as Bon Bon suspected. has indeed already been to Waterfall Cave. Oh, okay. That's kind of disappointing. I wish we'd have told us right from the start. The Guildmaster can be rather erratic at times. Even I can't quite fathom what goes on in his head. Well, that's too bad for you. Nevertheless, I shall expect your best effort tomorrow. What the fuck? It's so cryptic for no reason at all. Somebody set up like a trap to transport you to the hot spring from behind a hidden waterfall. Like, you would think that the hiddenness of the waterfall made it inherently, like, whatever was behind the waterfall was interesting, but it was just a way to get to the hot spring. And the hot spring isn't closed to the public. You could have gotten to the hot spring by normal routes. This was a hidden, manufactured shortcut to get to the hot spring, which isn't hard to get to. I don't think we ever go into that. He went through a lot today. I'm glad. Yeah, it's definitely Spangle's passion. He's living his best life. Yeah, you're definitely made for this. Whether or not you're good at it, you definitely are in your place. Be the bravest ever. Is a direct physical, tactile causer. Mysterious song. Oh, no shit. That's true, that I wasn't even thinking about that. Yeah. Oh, hi. Oh. Well, I thought we were going to bed. Oh. Oh my god, we are. I forgot about that. We're gonna go on a full exploration. Aww. Thank you. We're like idols, but there's a lot of rocks and you get your knee scraped a little bit more often. I hope nothing bad happens. That dungeon was pretty low-key. Although, I appreciate being able to recruit things. I don't know. Chapter 6, Team Skull. Getting right into the next chapter. I can't... Oh god, the first dungeons are so mundane, and the ones that aren't mundane are both aquatic. And then this other one was aquatic. The first one was aquatic, the second one was aquatic, the third one was really boring birds and rocks, and the fourth one was aquatic, so I really don't know who I want to go and recruit right now. Not that I have a huge option. Like, it is hard to recruit people still. I don't think it's story time yet. Oh, maybe it is. There's a lake. Far to the east. Yeah, we're pretty far on the west of this little continent. Oh, it's soon. It's getting me anxious. It's a big plot. Let's work at it and get pictures numbers. Yeah, we're just doing groceries today. No closure. Oh, buddies. Ooh. You two. Wait, haven't we seen them before? Whoa, don't think you're so awesome. Your victory was a fluke. Yeah, you just remember that. I remember. There are those two crows who stole my relic fragment. No! Leave him alone. What was the right way to take that? You were already the people who got the city in his head. Here's the chief. Wow, what a theme. No! Hey, my eyes are burning. Here's a villain. Here's a bully and a villain. Yeah, whatever. God, they're so generic. But they're a good pick of Pokemon for generic bullies. In fact, they were even like more high concept in the last game, because you had Gengar, which is, I mean, you know, kind of bullyish, but his buddies were like Metacham, who also has a job in this game as like a nice, like, girly team member, I think, and Ekans, which is, I mean, same as these two, but these two are like classic bully Team Rocket Pokemon. It's funny that they didn't use them till the second game. It's okay. It's horrendous. No, you're not. You may have anxiety, but you're not inherently just a chicken, you know? I was a little bit anxious that they were going to take all the jobs, and it was going to be like, oh no, they took all the jobs, but that didn't happen. That cave is easy enough. Let's see if there's any other ones. I think 3 will get me onto tomorrow. So, here we go. A. Oh my god, no, I don't think I can beat A. That was too tough. I guess I can just go and beat these C rank ones. I'm gonna go back to the Dredged Bluff really quickly and see if we can... Oh shit, there's only 2, eh? That's boring. Not Bristle, not Bristle. Another not Bristle rank B? That's too hard. I want to unaccept. Delete. Well, I don't just want to do 1 mission, I want to do 3 missions. And I can do that at Mount Bristle. Not that I want to recruit like a Starly, but... Grimer, yeah, we can do that. I might want to stun him though this time. Oh no, I don't have a decoy orb. Damn it. Oh. I mean, we can try an A rank fight. I'm just gonna feel like shit if we lose. Who's easiest? The Qingling Band of Thieves! Okay, I'm doing that. I guess I should hang on to these jobs now. Yeah, let's take Tony and let's see what we can do. Thank you. Oh, you're already here. Okay. Oh? Oh, a customer, is it not? Good day, is it not? Oh my gosh. That's right. Cafe time! Oh. Spinda Cafe. Oh, it's a very pretty spray. Patrici. Oh. So you can juice anything. That's why there's no meat. Interesting. Huh. How does that work? Huh. Thanks. So yeah, this is a Pokemon Sky exclusive, and I don't think I played that much of this game. I mostly played Time. It's Tony! Hi! That's fun. Yeah, I don't super know how this works. Recycle? Is this for my storage? Oh, I want this for an apple. Any item? Gotcha ticket? Huh, that might be a long-term thing. Okay. Can I make any juice? I'm gonna use... Oh, this is my treasure bag. Well, I might come back if I'm gonna use it later. Cute. I wonder if you need to mix ingredients or not. Oh. Oh wow. Maybe they're a base ingredient. Yeah, it's fun. I have a zigzagging friend in red. It was my first friend. He's so useful. Yeah, no, there's a reason for that. Well, now that we're back at the Crossroads. Clea was here. Yeah, I was. You're so cute. Yeah. I wonder if that's like a game, like a whole game to new game thing. Yes. Is it secret? I see it. Yeah. Well, we're getting ready for a possibly tricky day out on the job. But I think that ends it for this week. We did a lot. We explored something new that wasn't new. We got bullied. And you know, we had a good time. So, see you next week.